Everybody, I'm Raksha, and in this video, I'll be talking about how do we switch databases from one to another. So let's get started. Currently on my screen, as you can see, that we have got this timesheet data, and I would just like to bring your notice to this source step wherein you can see that this particular data has been imported using a SQL database, and in the SQL database we have simply used the server name and database. So they are nothing but a parameter here. So I have created a parameter which is called as server name. So you can use this option and hit on create a new parameter, and then what you can do is inside the parameter you can give it a name and then choose type as text, and uh, the suggested values could be any of the three. So currently, as per my requirement, I have taken it as any value, as in if whatever value a user want to add, he can add it up to inside this particular parameter. So just in case if you want to provide a list of values, let's say you want that the user should be taking a particular value which is a part of some valid list only, that comes from the list only. So what you can do is you can then switch to list of values. And just in case if you want to generate a value using a query, so then you can use query as an option. But as per my convenience, that I feel that any value would work in every situation, so I have selected any value here. So in a same fashion, what I have done is I have created another parameter which is called as database, and then in the database I have given database name as the current value. Okay, so this is how you can create two parameters and replace these two parameters in the source. So I'll go back to this timesheet data, and if I go to the source here, so you will see that SQL.database server name is nothing but the server name parameter, and database is nothing but the database parameter. Okay, so once it is done, you can simply close and apply and then publish to the workspace, and from there, whosoever is the end user, they can just change the databases to some another database, or similarly they can change server to some another server, provided that the schema should not be hampered. Like if there is any differences which is found in schema, then the report will crash or it may lead to errors. So I hope that the concept is clear, and I hope you really enjoyed this little piece of trick. Thank you for watching.